Guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Classroom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just click on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, then you click here on apps, you will find it. So then it's going to take you to this list. In there you're looking for a Classroom app, or just click on search. Then here at Classroom, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, then you click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage here, just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. So then here you search for Google Classroom. It's going to show for you like this. You will find update here, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.